Okay, so here I am inside of Copilot for Microsoft 365. So this is the new licensing, and I'm going to try and get some gold from Copilot. It's going to save me some time and some brain power. So I'm about to do a project debrief with our project team, which includes an implementation review. And I'm going to ask it to suggest what parameters should I use for the review. Give me a template which I can use to run this meeting. So these are some really great ideas. So I love that it tells me as well some prompt suggestions. So how can I encourage open and honest feedback from my team? I think that's a great question and not one I would have thought of myself. And what are some common challenges in project implementation? That one I'm not so worried about because I'm looking to review. But I might then just copy that and use it in a loop for my project team chat.